Hello guys, so on today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to achieve the single wet bucket and the double wet bucket, so pay attention closely. Here what I'm doing is drafting the wet bucket with just half an inch in height, then 6 inches in length. So pay attention closely. It's not hard, it's not difficult, you just have to pay close attention. So I'm done with the drafting. Now this is the sewing machine. I'm about to attach the pocket to the main trouser itself. So I start the stitching from the midpoint of the pocket to the edge of the first line. Tackle. Pay attention. It's not hard. Just pay attention to what I'm doing. Ending, I'm not stitching round, I'm just stitching the two lines. As you can see, it's just a two straight line. I'm not connecting the lines together, I'm running the lines separately, not round the edges. Okay. Now I'm done. When you are done, the next thing is to split the pocket. You make a notch. As you can see, then you split the pockets open, not the main trouser, just the pocket. There are different ways to achieve this work, but I prefer this method because it makes the pocket to come out well relaxed. So this is what I'm doing. I'm splitting the pocket into two entirely, just the pocket alone, not the main trouser. Take note, just the pocket alone. That's what I'm doing right now. To the end. Now we'll make a notch on the main trouser itself. Pay attention. As you can see, you bend the main pocket, then you make a notch to where your seaming allowance stops. Be very careful in this area because it's very delicate. You can't afford to make mistake here, so be very careful with it. As you can see, just be careful, don't have to rush. So here we have the notch, as you can see. Now you go to the ironing table and turn the pocket inwards. Turn the pocket inwards. Okay. Then when you are done turning, you iron properly. Make sure you take your time to iron the pockets, as you can see. To make the pocket relax very well. Okay. As you can see. Avoid ironing directly on the fabric. Okay. Make sure you iron very well. Ironing itself is a skill. Then you iron the notch that you made backward. This is what you will use to hold the edges of the pocket together. Okay, now we are done. Now take a close look at this. This is the single wet pocket. You just fold once. This method enables you to achieve the double wet pocket with ease. That's why I prefer this method. So this is the single wet pocket. You just fold it once with your iron by enclosing the space in between the pockets, and this will form the welt pocket, the single welt pocket. I'm going to turn it for you to see. Good. Now this is the single welt pocket, as you can see. Now let's make the double wet pocket. The double wet pocket, you fold the up and down of the pockets. So pay attention to what I'm about to do. You fold that 0.5 inch at the down, then you do the same thing at the top as well. Are you seeing it? It's not difficult. Good. Make sure both of them are well aligned, then you iron properly. This will form the double wet pocket. So as you can see, it's very easy to make. You just have to take your time. Now let's turn this and see. Now we have our double wet pocket, as you can see. Now let's go to the sewing machine to stitch it. Take note, you have to do your stitch inward so that the stitches will not show the surface of the pocket. So take your time, stitch around the edges. Now we are done, and this is our wet pocket. See how pretty it is. Now let's stitch the pocket itself now. Just stitch around the edges of the pocket, as you can see. cut out the excess of it. When you are done cutting, you can weave it round. If you don't want to make use of weaving, you can sew and turn inwards, but it doesn't make any big difference though. So we are done. Stitch the pocket to the neutral at the end, and that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope you've gained value. I hope you've learned something. This is our wet pockets. See you guys. Bye for now.